What I'm about to show you is nuts. This is something that I have not seen any SEOs publish before, and it's a bit controversial. Dun, dun, dun. Because what I'm going to show you is an example of how following Google's guidelines could actually hurt your business. Make sure you watch all the way to the end because I'm going to show you how this one tactic literally caused a local pack on Google to completely disappear. All right, guys, you need to pay attention to this video. Google has specific rules in place for reasons.
I promise I won't let anything happen to it.
No, Jen, I'm sorry, but the elders of the internet would never stand for it.
But I don't think they realize sometimes following these guidelines can actually hurt a small business's ability to rank on Google. If you're aware of Google's guidelines, you probably know that Google has a guideline for home-based businesses. What that guideline says is if you don't serve businesses at your business address, you're supposed to leave the address field blank. This comes into play a lot with businesses like plumbers, where the service is performed at the customer's house. You don't come to them, they come to you. When you go in and remove your address from your listing on Google, it makes it so that you don't have features such as a map pin or driving directions. We wanted to test to see if removing an address from a business listing had any impact on where that business ranked on Google. So to test this, we had a client in the home services space who currently had their address showing, so we simply went and removed it. What happened next blew my mind. We saw once we hid the address, there was a massive decline in rankings. Here's just an example of one of their top keywords. Then a month later, we decided to go add the address back to the listing. And the rankings came back. What was even more concerning was the massive drop in phone calls for that listing while the address was hidden. Now, I needed to make sure that this wasn't just some crazy anomaly.
These are the hot sheets. Best investigative reporting on the planet.
So we found another listing that they had, which had the address hidden, and we simply added the address back. We saw the same bump in rankings. Pause for dramatic effect.
Oh my God.
Now, the craziest thing from this whole story was the fact that hiding the address literally caused the local pack to disappear for one of the main keywords. To make sure you don't miss more important tips like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel.